What would happen if the entire world went into a nuclear apocalypse? If you and your friend are the last men standing, and you do not know how to start a fire, turn cotton into clothes, design a house, build a car engine, or do anything else to rebuild civilization, you will probably want to save this book. This book goes in depth on everything you need to rebuild humanity, from making penicillin to fishing and even martial arts. It is also beautifully drawn and well organized, making it enjoyable to read instead of staring at a wall of text. If you want this book, click the link in the pinned comment and use code HISTORY now 10 for 10% off.